So that can be found in the Bezl Builder section. I believe it's here. Yep. So I'm just going to give it a test name here. And here's some, I guess, information about the Sparkbox, and then an example kind of setup for a SQL file. Just kind of telling you the format where it's looking for a prior value and it's looking for a current value. This example has some hard-coded data, but you know, it doesn't have to. You can run a query against the database to return data as well. So here we're just going to do a very similar thing, and we're just going to do a SQL server here. Just going to execute a query, epicor, and a query name. I believe I have a sales change out there. Yep, sales change. And this is just going to return two numbers, a prior value and a current value. You can adjust the title of the box. You can pick which column is represented for the current value and the prior value. I believe if it, you know, it must determine by the name or the position where the data is returned, which one is the current value or the prior value, but sometimes you might have to change those as well. And then the value type just be a currency. When we save that, I'm actually going to go into the custom builder here, and just so we can preview the box itself. Like I said before, it's a pretty simple Bezl and Bezl builder, but I think it'll be a little bit more useful here in the future when we're starting to do machine learning. And this is actually one of our very common bezels that a lot of customers use. Before, we were kind of just putting a snippet out there, and people were kind of customizing that snippet to fit their needs. But a lot of our customers do use a bezel very similar to this, just to display data in a quick fashion.